Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making Cornish hen with vegetables, and we are going to be using the McCormick's roasted garlic and herb. So this is what we are making today. So let's grab all our ingredients and let's get this going. For our baked Cornish hen, you're going to need 2 Cornish hens, olive oil, chicken broth, potatoes, celery, carrots, and McCormick's roasted garlic and herb. So the first thing we need to do is get our vegetables seasoned up. So I've got my potatoes halved and my celery diced up, and we've got our little carrots, our baby carrots. So we're going to add this to a large bowl. Well, there we go. Set this over here. Then we're going to drizzle us a little bit of olive oil. And then now we're going to add our seasoning. And this is the roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Now we're going to give this a good toss, make sure all the seasoning gets coated on all our vegetables. There we go. That looks good. Now we're going to put this into a oil-lined baking tray. And spread these out a little bit. And now we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven and let this go for about 30 minutes before we add our chicken. So while our vegetables are going, one of the first things we need to do is spatchcock our chicken. So we've got a knife and we're going to go right across the backbone. And we're going to cut it out. Come on. There we go. All right, so I'm going to get the other one done, and once we've got that completed, we're going to move on to seasoning. So now that we have our chicken spatchcocked, what we're going to do is we're going to lay it breast side down, and you're going to press down across the breastbone. And what that's going to do is that's going to break it up and let it lay flat. There we go. Now we've got that done. Good job. It's always good when messing with raw meat that you have your little bleach towel handy. So now we're going to just season our chicken, and we're going to season both sides. So our vegetables have been baking at 350 for about 30 minutes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put on our rack, and I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken broth, maybe about half a cup to a cup. And now we're going to place our chicken on top of our rack. So now this is going back into our 350-degree oven for anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half till our chicken gets to an internal of 165 or higher. So this has been going for just about an hour, and as I was pulling it out, I ended up catching one of my hens on the top of the oven. So, but it all heats the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this here. Stop. That was my timer. Just in case I needed to let it run a little longer. So move this out of the way here. Gonna grab me a serving spoon. And we're gonna get me some of these vegetables. And here we go. So it's now that we have everything plated up, and this looks delicious, smells delicious. Let's give this a try. I'm gonna grab me a potato and a piece of celery. Oh yeah. That McCormick roasted garlic and herb is really good. So let's grab us a piece of chicken. And I'm gonna just go ahead and grab me the wing. Oh yeah. Oh. Juicy, tender, love the spice. Gonna definitely be trying this more often. Oh yeah. Definitely give their seasoning a try, especially with chicken. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Please try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I want to thank all of my subscribers for helping to support the channel. And for my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen.